Hi Pisces, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to see the cards that fell out for you while I was divinating, and I have clarified the picture and I have got it in front of me. I will see and tell you what the visual representation regarding your energy means to you. So, before I start your reading, I'm going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It is the same card which has come out for you again. It came out for you in the last next 10 days reading, and again it has come for you. It is saying organize for success. So you guys are in a successful mode. Some of you have got your promotions, some of you have got your upgradation, some of you have done something, married someone. So you are in an upgraded life, or you are seeing a situation of change. So angels are saying organize for success. Do not let the word organize intimidate you, as it is simply a way for you to ensure clarity of purpose. Organizing your thoughts, your reports, your living and workspace, and your finances will help you to know and plan your next action steps. So, organize for success is your mantra for the next 10 days. Let's see what's coming to you. You are into three major arcana energies, that is, devil, death, and the temperance. So for some of you this can mean a physical death of someone in your life which has changed you totally, and you are now healing from it. So that is number 1. Number 2, some of you have got a promotion or a transfer or a new job which has changed your location. Your whole world has changed right now, because in the last reading you had got the world card as well. So everything has changed. So what it is doing is your repressed ideas, your self questionings, your self beating, guilt, addictions are now over. They are now over. You are into a new and different world which is healing you, which is giving you a new path. You are negotiating your path properly. You are going towards moderation of behavior. That is what I am seeing. So the toxicity, the problems, the blocks that were there in your life, the long trending energy is going to get over, or it is already over for you, and you are in the temperate zone, you are in the comfort zone, and you will find your path of happiness and healing. That is what I am seeing. Major transformation happening in your life right now, which is going to bring you to a situation of moderation in your life, which will give you comfort. So you are gradually getting out of the devil energy. The closure of something has already happened, and a new situation is starting. It could be in your job situation, overall life situation, family situation, or in your love situation. So things are getting into an upheaval. It was painful, it was difficult, it was uncomfortable. It brought to fore your devil energy, your addictions, your sexual attractions. All these things will now end. That period will end, and abuse of some kind will end, and a new situation of healing will start. Some of you were not well as well, so you are coming out of that illness, you are coming out of that discomfort, you are coming out of that situation which was chaining you. So you are now healing, you are in good situation right now, or you will be in the next 10 days. I am seeing the judge. There is okay, I'll talk about judgment, but the first another situation is you were in a lot of pain as well. This could be separation from people, this could be separation from your loved one. So a big thing, big trending situation had closed for you, but a new situation is developing, a new beginning, a change of heart is happening with the two of cups. So your life is starting again. That is what I am seeing. Judgment is taking place. You are getting out of your shallow grave. You have heard the call. Either you have heard the call, or automatically your life has changed and it is taking you towards transformation. You are forgiving some people. You are accepting a new situation, and you are being self critical of yourself. You are trying to repress those thoughts, which are addictive, which took you to that zone of a shallow grave. Angels are telling you that this positive change in your life, this positive transformation will take you towards something big. But meanwhile, while the transformation is happening, you need to have strength, you need to have control over your anger, over your inner demons that try to come to fore, and they make you do something wrong. But right now you need to check everything that you do. So that is what angels are saying. There is a five of wands situation, there is a situation of discord, debate, there's a competitive energies around you. There is some disturbance around you, which is causing some discomfort in your life. But angels are saying gradually you will go towards your four of pentacles, that is status quo. You will be able to balance your situation, you will be ultimately in this situation. But you are fiercely guarding your money, you have to spend a lot of money, some delays are happening. So you will come back to this situation, but this situation tells you to be judicious while spending money. So that is what is coming regarding your financial situation. Some of you are going towards long term security, stability, and you are thinking about your family at this situation, because the new life has entailed travel, or maybe you will journey towards your family home. That is what I am seeing in the next 10 days. I am also seeing a new beginning in your life. So every card is showing an ending with new beginning. So new passion is going to get ignited in your life, something passionate is going to happen for you while you are traveling or going towards your home. So angels are saying, get out of your illusory energies, get out of your energies of entrapment, the mental energies that trap you, the mental energies that they don't let you enjoy your happiness. Angels are saying, take a fresh leap forward with the new energies in your life, take a leap of faith, take a situation of new adventure in life, because it is going to give you the sun, it is going to give you the happiness, joy, and recovery in your life which you are looking for. So your life will do a bold face, because things are changing, the transformation will be complete with the leap of faith. That is what angels are saying, starting of something new, taking a new initiative. That is what is going to happen over the energy of entrapment. That is what I am seeing. The outcome energy is the star. It is saying that stars will guide you towards your new path, your new success, and you will be blessed by God and by the universe. That is what angels are saying, towards your new stability period. That is what angels are saying. Advice is that you will be able to get out of troubled situations, you will be able to go towards the right of safe passage, you will be able to get to your calm, conducive, and a situation of comfort and healing in your life, with the new energies that are coming in, starting something from scratch. Maybe a situation of ambition that is coming true for you. It is you are envisaging it, but it is going to come to you. The action will take place in the near future. The magician card is saying you will be expressing better, you will be able to manifest your dreams. That is what I am seeing. Success is going to come to you, the opportunity is going to come to you, you are going to grab it. That is what I am seeing. Angels are advising you to do that. Angels are advising you to affirm the things that are coming in your mind, manifest it, and you will get it. That is what angels are saying, because you are going through a huge transformation, a huge lucky period is here for you. So experience that in your next 10 days. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something more to discuss with me, if you have personal problems or conflicts, you can come to me for a discussion. You can book a private personal reading. and they are paid readings, so you have to come thinking that you will have to pay. So I will tell you what the process is. You leave in a request in the comment box. I will tell you how to go further about it. And if you think that this reading is worth sharing, please share it with others. So that's it. Bye bye.